Yan guys, we're looking for the ice cream. Is this the one?
No.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yes. Is this the one? Is it?
Yogurt ice cream.
0. No. Is this the one?
The one?
Yeah, I think this is the one. Wow.
What taste you have?
This is the ice cream just now she discovered.
The one
Which one? Oh, that is expensive.
But the topping, it's a yogurt. It's a yogurt ice cream.
Guys, we want to discover this ice cream. No topping is $4. No topping is $4.
Topping lang.
I don't want toppings. I pay. I treat you.
No lah.
No.
My special day. Okay. You're a millionaire. No lah. Yeah. It's okay. You're a millionaire. Yeah. Yeah.
No, she want to treat us again.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Thank you so much, sis.
Honda cannot go in. No internet.
No internet again, she said. Mine just no toppings. I think it's a Q. Where's the Q? We look for the Q. Yeah, I think this is the Q. Behind. Oh wow, this is a new ice cream. Wow, Yole. No sugar added.
Yeah.
That means it's healthy.
Yeah, that's right.
Ate Lucy is busy making reels.
Yeah. I want to make also.
Yeah.
15 minutes waiting. The yogurt still need to wait 15 minutes. Huwag muna tayo, wait.
15 minutes.
15 minutes waiting.
We wait for 15 minutes.
It's okay lang. The yogurt still.
Yeah.
Dito kami sa waiting. Yes. Hello, sis Faye. I'm waiting.
Wala na nawan ng
Waiting for ice cream, guys.
Oh, man.
Hi, sis Faye. Keep going there.
Where is she? Oh, she's there.
Hello.
Okay. Wow, that's so nice. Wow. Wow, we are here now. We are taking our orders. Okay.
Hi.
Mine is no toppings.
Why you don't?
I just plain. I want just plain so that I just want to taste the real taste.
So you want our one scoop? I want to topping, but you want the rest. Topping lang, sis. So 550 are they?
What's that?
Everybody gets small. Yes.
Strawberry.
This one, ice cream. Topping this one. There. What?
Cups. Cups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This yogurt. So no more yogurt.
I think, no, I still have, but I have to make a new batch.
New batch.
Okay, just wait.
Just do it around 10
Okay, we will come back. Okay, do we have to take our orders first? Shall we take our order first? Okay. Yeah. Then we will come back for our orders.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cups.
This one my topping that's strawberry.
Four.
I'm looking.
Small size.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this one. Okay. This one topping. This one
Strawberry. Yeah. Both.
You also. Yeah. You.
Yeah.
Cheese, strawberry, this one topping. Then one which one pumpkin.
One pumpkin seed.
I want
Yes.
the yellow. I want the yellow part. Are you paying all together? Then we use back the money.
We will come back later. Thank you so much.
Later. Oh, okay lah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. We will come back later. After 15 minutes of waiting, we will go jalan-jalan first. Okay, bye-bye. See you later when we will come and collect our orders. So nice. It's down here. We're going to collect our orders. Ice cream. Yoli ice cream. Where is it? Where's this kawan-kawan? There, here can have coffee, is it? Later we'll go and drink coffee here.
There's no coffee there.
Okay. Yeah, we can come here and drink coffee. Yeah, we can go there coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, later we will go and eat coffee. Oh no, not eat, drink coffee. We will go and collect our order. The Yoli ice cream. This is the first time we want to try this ice cream. It is zero added sugar. That means no sugar. Where's the rest? They're still there. Wow. Where? Oh, we're here already. Okay. Yay, we can take our orders now. Wow, yummy.
Say where?
Yes, okay.
You first.
You first. Wow. Of course, reels muna yan bago kumain. Wow, that's ours.
This is yours.
Wow, thank you so much. Doon sa kape, doon. We can sit there, right, and buy coffee, right?
Yeah.
You know, guys.
We can sit there or what?
I don't know.
Buy coffee, huh? Oh, yeah. Mrs. Wait.
Yours.
I want it. Yeah, lah. This one is the strawberry one. Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Tayo na.
Wait. Okay, yours coming.
Ay, nagkapunta din eh. Hindi ko mahawakan yung ano ko.
Okay, cheers. Cheers. Raya. Wait, some more, one more. Cheers. No, you put the first cheers. Picture code here. Okay, thank you so much. No, never mind. We will buy that.
It's okay.
Ayo, no, it's okay.
No, that one is not.
I know Han already.
Huh? We go there, sit. We buy coffee.
Yeah lah, we will buy a coffee.
No, you take this one first, $10.
No, we buy coffee.
No, you take first this one.
Okay, this is the $10. Thank you so much, sis. Where is the $10 just now? It's down there, cannot see it. Yay! Thank you so much. Where?